Acrylics basics. So today we're going to be looking at working on your non-dominant hand. Now I get asked this a lot by nail techs, so I've left in the whole process right from kind of the beginning up until the end where I put the top coat on, just to show you how I do it. The best tip that I can offer is pick and do the majority of the work with your dominant hand. So I'm right-handed, so you'll see there I picked up the bead with my right hand and then I pass the brush over to my left hand, and you'll see here again I'm actually moving my right hand, so it's kind of making it easier for the left hand to work, if that makes sense. So I am definitely doing some work with the left hand, but the right hand I would say is doing the majority of the work and kind of the angles and all that kind of thing. So here again I'm filing now. With filing I will hold the file still with my left hand and I will move my right hand on the file. And while I've got you, if you are enjoying this, please do drop us a like and a follow, because we're dropping new content all the time. So here I'm holding the file at an angle with my left hand, and with my right hand I'm moving the nail against the file. Here I'm holding the drill totally still and I'm doing the majority of the work with my right hand because I have more control with that. I'm just making sure I've got that E-file nice and firm. It is more difficult and it will come with time, so please don't give up on it. It's always worth having your nails done because you're a great advertisement for yourself. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know below in the comments.